The PS5 Pro promises more ray tracing and a fluid 4K and 60 frames per second for games that get Pro upgraded, and automatic AI upscaling for other games. OpenAI's Strawberry can reportedly solve math problems it has never encountered before and think about a question before answering. The model is aimed at enhancing AI models' advanced reasoning capabilities, improving their ability to understand and process complex information. OpenAI aims to push the boundaries and spark new possibilities in every sector. The company now has more than 1 million paying business users. A feature in Apple's new AirPods Pro allows the device to be used as an over-the-counter hearing aid designed for users with mild to moderate hearing loss. Users can take hearing tests on devices running iOS 18, after which their AirPods will make personalized dynamic adjustments, allowing them to properly hear their immediate listening environments. The test takes about 5 minutes, and the results are stored privately within the Health app. The AirPods also have a passive noise reduction hearing loss prevention feature that automatically dampens ambient loud noises while retaining audio integrity. Jeff Dean and Sanjay Ghemawat changed the course of Google by optimizing the computing power the company needed through software. This article discusses their relationship, highlighting how pair programming can help drive better results. Studies of close creative groups find that the best insights emerge when groups collaborate and respond to one another in pairs. The pairs' roles have now diverged, but they are still working together on some projects. This article looks at how companies can structure their open source offerings in a way that's good for both users and the business. The European Commission filed the case in 2016, claiming that Apple had received illegal tax benefits from Ireland over the course of 2 decades. L is a lightweight functional prompt engineering framework that treats prompts as programs instead of strings. It supports rich type coercion for multimodal inputs and outputs. L provides tools for monitoring, versioning, and visualization to help users empiricize their prompt optimization processes. It is designed to be an unobtrusive library that doesn't require users to change their coding style or use special editors. Huawei has launched a dual-hinged triple-screen foldable phone with prices starting at 19,999 yuan, about $2,809, for the 256GB model. All models come with 16GB of RAM. The OLED display measures 6.4 inches when fully collapsed. When unfolded, that display increases to 10.2 inches. It can be used in a partially unfurled 7.9-inch configuration. The device has a 5,600 mAh battery that supports 66 watts of wired charging. It is unclear whether the device will be available outside of China, where there have already been at least 3.7 million pre-orders. A video showing the phone's design is available in the article. The Polaris Dawn mission lifted off on a SpaceX Falcon 9 in the early hours of Tuesday morning. The mission will travel to the highest altitude humans have traveled since the Apollo 17 mission to the Moon in 1972. The 4-person crew will fly through the high-energy Van Allen belt and also attempt the first spacewalk not involving government astronauts. They will be testing new extravehicular activity suits designed by SpaceX. The mission is a partnership between tech billionaire Jared Isaacman and SpaceX. Neither party has disclosed the cost of the flight. Quality fonts often come with extra features. The minimal package users should expect from a font includes different weights and may be italic, but OpenType allows much more, including variable axes, stylistic alternates, swashes, numerals, small caps, and contextual alternates. This article covers some of the most interesting features and how to implement them. The license you choose is a component of your product's packaging. It can't be a choice based exclusively on your belief system. This excerpt from the book Character Limit by Kate Conger and Ryan Mack tells the story of the final days before Elon Musk closed the deal to purchase Twitter and the subsequent takeover of the company. It details how Musk's goons instilled fear and uncertainty among the rank and file, and how his inner circle employed hardball tactics throughout the transaction. The book will be published on September 17th. SpaceX says its Super Heavy booster and Starship upper stage have been ready to launch since the first week of August.